make sure the slat height is appropriate for your child. For forward facing, it has to be at or above the shoulders. You want to do this before you install the seats. You don't have to uninstall it once it's at the, if it's at the wrong height. So that's clearly above his shoulder. Okay, hop up, buddy.
Now can I have more food?
Yep. Go color with this for a minute. Make sure the top tether is pulled out so it's not stuck behind the seat. Route your seatbelt through the belt path. You can remove the cover right here to get in there easier. Buckle it. I have my belt stock twisted.
Mommy, I reached
Okay, bud, to keep this out of the belt path.
What are you buying?
If your vehicle does not have locking latch plates, like mine does not, lock it at the retractor. Pull it all the way out until it clicks. Put your weight into the seat. And tighten the seatbelt. And remove the slack up here at the retractor. Make sure there's no more than 1 inch of movement at the belt path. And attach your top tether. I have to scoot this down to tighten mine all the way. Voila!